When do you wake up?
I wake up early.
When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast in the morning. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. How are you?
I am fine.
How many students are in your class?
There are 20 students. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Tina.
What is in your bag?
There is a pencil in my bag. How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
How do you do your homework?
I do my homework at home. Which color do you like?
I like red color. Where do you play?
I play in the park.
Where do you live?
I live in the USA. Why are you happy today?
I am happy because it is Sunday.
Which fruit do you like?
I like mango.
Who is your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
This is my father.
Who is your father?
My father is a doctor.